morning. Huh? Where's the Civic? Oh yeah, I sold it. It's time to drop it off. Get it gone. So yeah, note to self, bring a hoodie with you when you're selling the car. He's supposed to drop me back, but his other car shit itself, so luckily he bought the Civic, he can daily that because it is a good car. But yeah, just walking home now and plan the next one. Might have a car bought, so yeah, keep watching. So yeah, this is the new me. Happy New Year, new me and shit. Out having a walk. Well no, obviously just walking back from dropping the car over. Sold, Civic's gone. But yeah, happy days, on to the next project. So now the Civic is gone, I'm going to tax this, drive this as a daily. Need to do front bumper on it and a few other bits and pieces, tidy it up, book it in for its respray, and I'll be driving this bad boy as well. I was driving this last night at a cruise and it went amazing, it was really good. Need to get a new battery for it because it's not charging, but other than that, let's get this car finished. But other than the Fiat and the Mini, what's on the cards? Who knows? I don't know what to buy. Have cash there, stick along and see what we buy next. Right guys, another day at it. I'm going to get the Fiat jumped as battery went dead. Hasn't been running long, so battery keeps going dead. I'm going to jump start the car, move the Mini to here, move the Fiat back, turn it around and get a start on this front bumper. So yeah, let's get her done. Get good reliable. Yeah. First turn the key, always. Good old that to you. Now, time to get the Mini out. The Mini start making a squeak. I think it needs a new alternator belt. It's still running perfect. It's just making this squeak. I think it's the belt. Like, the belt has been on the car 3 years. I'd say it's time for a new one. Also, my bumper is coming loose. Need to get in behind that and tighten that, but that's it really. Then just alignment and camera and stuff I need to sort out in the car, running perfect. So yeah, I'm gonna just move the Mini to here, and then the Fiat, I'm gonna bring it out and reverse it in and try to get the front bumper done while it's bright out, because we keep getting hit with the darkness too early in the day. So let's get these bad boys out. So that's the Fiat in the correct orientation that I needed to get this bumper onto the front. I do have the two grills here. They are going black, so I have to go and get some black aerosols. They're going black. Going to do that black, and then take that middle bit out there, do that black. But I want to get the bumper on just like this. For the meantime, all that stuff can be done afterwards. I just want to get that front bumper off and get this front bumper on the car. So let's go. As far as I know, one here, one down there and one down that corner, and then there's one there and one there. That's it. So I'm just going to take off the front arch and the other arch and loosen them all up and get it off. So a few of them are handy to get. I can use the drill with the bit out of the Halford set. I was shown a handy tip to check what one to use. So what you do is you stick your thumb over the hole, push it down, and then measure it up to your thumb to see which size it is. But I know what size it is. They're not actually in this, they're in my screwdriver case, but I do need this for the ones underneath because you can't get at it with the screwdriver, with the drill, because obvious reasons. But yeah, I'm just going to get the bumper off now and get the other one on. That was a job and a half. Now, it all looks actually really mint in there. There's no damage, no rust. Probably could do with a new rad, but that will all come eventually. So I'm just going to get this bumper on now. Right, that's it, all on, bolted up properly. All the lines are really nice, either side. Now just get the arches back on. That's it, fully on, arches are on, looking awesome. Need to get some lowering springs maybe for the car. I do have like one of them little rubber front lips that go on it. Gonna spray all the vents black and the mesh black, these little bits under the headlights black, and then the car will be going for paint. Oh, looks so good, love it. So yeah, that's it for the Fiat. It's very windy out. I'm just going to move the cars back, get on to some people about collecting parts for the Fiat. Someone has an exhaust for me, serviceable bits, and then yeah, a few companies want to jump in on the Fiat build, get it done, get it raffled off a charity and get Temple Street some money, much needed funds for all the incredible work that they do. So yeah guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the Fiat build. Still a lot to do. I might go out and try and get a new passenger door, as there is a massive dent, and I'll show you now. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but you can see right here, yeah, see it? Right up along that door, it's all pushed in, so I might try get a new door and replace the door, why not? So yeah, not much left to do on it. So yeah, I really appreciate you for watching the video. If you have watched all this way, make sure you hit that subscribe button, click the bell for notifications, give the video a like, and make sure you comment and share it guys, as this is a charity build, 100% giveaway raffle, so should be good. So yeah, peace out and be dedicated guys. Peace.